Hi, my name is Eddie. I'm CEO and I give SendGrid a 5 out of 5. If you need more information on reviews, click on the link below. I had used something called MailChimp, and the reason why most people use MailChimp to begin with is because not only is it easy to use, but it's free for about 2,000 users. One of the challenges that comes up though is that it gets very expensive very quickly after that. So while it works really well if you're a small business or just getting started with email marketing for the first time, once you get past a certain point, it becomes unsustainably expensive. But not only that, but I think the professionalism and quality of what you see within MailChimp becomes a problem over time. Because while it's very easy to put out something that looks pretty decent from dragging and dropping, so you don't have to know how to code, that becomes a problem when you want to separate yourself from, okay, this is an email going out to a lot of people, whereas we are a legit, really strong organization. Yeah, the reasons we chose SendGrid for a couple things is they gave us a great credit, which is always helpful to start. But one of the biggest reasons we chose SendGrid is because all of the leading companies in the world who do email marketing use SendGrid. If you'll notice, Spotify, Uber, they all use SendGrid. And there's a reason for it is I think it's the best prepared enterprise mailing app out there in the world. So if you look at all the different features within SendGrid from a developer perspective, so your engineers will love SendGrid. So every sort of integration you could come up with, all the different settings are highly specific for very different types of users, from the marketing users to the engineers, the admins. They've been very thoughtful about how to build an enterprise version of an email marketing application. So one of the things I also really enjoy about SendGrid is that they also have a place to easily edit your code. And then when you edit your HTML front end code, that you'll see it update in real time on the other side of your screen. So you can do both at the same time. So while this may be challenging for users who are very new to the process and aren't familiar with coding so much, you can pick it up. It's all very doable. They've made it very easy for you to figure that out. And that's what really separates yourself from just a small business using MailChimp to a true enterprise company using something like SendGrid. Yeah, onboarding and integrating SendGrid within our business was very easy. They have a number of APIs to the point where we're able to actually automatically write a script that took emails from my Google Gmail account and brought it automatically into SendGrid so that every Sunday, all the emails from all the new people that I met automatically end up in SendGrid. So I don't have to go collect a bunch of emails from my account. I don't have to put them in a spreadsheet. Then I don't have to upload them and keep track of everything. It just automatically happens. And I think that's one of the biggest frustrations among those who are putting together scalable email marketing campaigns on a regular basis. How do my regular new connections consistently end up in our email marketing platform with a lot of additional work? And SendGrid has a lot of integrations, unlike other players out there in the market. And they've done that really well with our integration with Google Mail, which is probably what many people use anyway. Yeah, so my advice and recommendations for those who are considering SendGrid is give it a shot. And especially if you are looking to go from small business to more enterprise status, or you have a really solid engineering team, or you really want to take your emails and look more professional, then you'd be willing to take the leap into SendGrid. If you still want to maintain less than 2,000 person list and you intend to be that small company type of feel, there's nothing. Well, yeah, I mean, you can go ahead and stay with your typical free email providers like MailChimp. But if you want to make things look truly how an engineer would put it together and really look like a really strong professional large organization, I think transitioning to SendGrid would be about the right time, especially if your list is growing into the, I don't know, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 plus. Then it actually becomes more economical to use SendGrid in addition to the look and feel and technical capabilities that they provide.